sis, it's your girl, Rosa na naman. And for today's video, ituro ko sa inyo yung karera ng Bini. So, bago tayo mag-umpisa, isang-mirrored ko yung video na to. Okay, so first step is i-open nyo yung legs nyo ganito. And yung inyong left hand is nandito and yung right hand dito. Okay, so, one, okay. So, na-close yung legs, open, then yung inyong right hand dito itatapat sa side na lip nyo, okay? So, tak, tak, okay? Tan, tan, and after nyan is, yung inyong kamay is, i-cross nyo siya, then, tak, tak, okay? So, i-bend nyo yung inyong left leg, then, right leg, okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? So, yung inyong arm is, i-slant nyo siya. Pag itong left leg, yung inyong gagalawin, itong left hand, yung nakaangat or yung left elbow nyo. Okay, so left, right. Okay, so 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then after nyan is open nyo yung kamay nyo, then harap kayo dito sa right side. Okay, so tak, tak, open, hakbang yung inyong right leg papunta dito sa side, then nakaharap na kayo dito sa right side. Okay, so yung inyong kamay, itong left hand nandito sa chest, and yung right hand nakataas and nakapoint. Okay? So, tayong dito, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So, pagka 6 is, yung inyong left leg is yakbang nyo, and tak, tak. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, pababa yung inyong right hand. 1, 2, then, open yung inyong right hand, then, close, tak. Okay, so yung inyong legs naman, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so harap nyo lang siya dito sa front kapag ka dito. So, tak, then straight, then bend, straight. Okay, so tak, balik, tak, balik. Okay, so counting tayo, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, tak. Okay, so next step naman, after nung part na pag ganito, is ilalagay nyo yung kamay nyo dito sa waist. Okay, so 1, so yung chest nyo, tak, tak, tak. Okay, so angat yung chest, then down, then up yung inyong kamay, and from left, right, left, right. Okay, so 1, tak, tak. Okay, so yung inyong paa naman, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so parang isisipa nyo lang siya, angat, then down, angat, down. Okay, so tak, tak, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so pagka 4 is dito na kayo nakaharap sa left side, and ibababa nyo lang yung kamay nyo, both hands nyo is ibababa nyo pa ganyan. So, pa-slide from chest, then pababa. Okay? So, ngayon dito, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, after nyan, para kayong tatakbo nyan. Okay? So, yung inyong right hand, papunta dito sa harap, and yung inyong left leg is pag ganyan. Parang magtatap-tap siyang ganyan. Tak, tak, tak. Okay? So, tan-tan. Up yung inyong right leg, tak, tak. Okay? So, pagkaangat ng right leg nyo, bend, then down. So, nakaharap na siya sa left foot nyo. Okay? So, tak, tak. 1, down, then up, down. Okay? So, ulit-ulit tayo. Tak, tak, up, tak, down, up, down. Okay, so yung kamay nyo, angat nyo ganyan. So, pag angat ng kamay nyo ganyan, yung right leg nyo, bend yung ganyan, then down. Okay? So, tak, 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 down, up, down. Okay, so counting tayo, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. next step naman, di ba nakalap pa rin dito sa left side. So, yung inyong right leg is angat, harap. Okay? So, yung inyong leg, angat nyo, then harap dito sa front. Angat, harap, angat, harap. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, yung kamay nyo nakaganyan. Una is, itong right hand yung nasa ilalim and yung left hand nasa taas. So, naka-cross yung ganyan. Cross, then sa waist, then dito sa side ng chest, then up sa ulo nyo. Okay? So, cross, open, chest, up. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, after nyan, itong left leg naman yung gagalawin nyo. So, mag-twist lang siyang pa ganyan. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, up, then, yung kamay nyo, down siya pa ganito. Okay? So, tak, tak, then, yung inyong kamay is, dito siya sa likod, then, tak, close. Okay? So, parang, isisip, or ibabalo nyo yung inyong left leg. So, harap kayo dito sa likod, then, tak. Okay? So, countings tayo, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Sa bawat panibagong umagang pagsin.
Okay, so next step naman, after nung pagharap nyong ganito, is iaangat nyo yung inyong right leg. So, angat, down. Okay, so yung kamay nyo, 1, then 2, then 3, and 4. Okay, so una close, then tuck, then dito sa right side, then papunta dito sa left side, then front, then waist, then left waist. Okay, so galing dito, 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so yung legs nyo is magpapalit-palit siya. Una nyong iakbang is yung right leg nyo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So, after nyan is, ilalagay nyo itong right hand nyo dito naman sa right side. Okay? So, yung inyong right leg is iakbang nyo and tak, tak. Okay? So, pa-slide yung paa nyo pa ganyan. Okay? So, pagka-akbang, slide, then balik, then yung inyong left shoulder is papunta dito sa front. So, yung head nyo is medyo isa-side nyo siya dito sa left side. Okay? So, tak, and tak. Okay, so medyo ibabagalan nyo yung inyong pagbalik ng shoulder. Okay, so 1, 2, tak. Okay, so countings muna tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then after nyan, 7, 8. Okay, so yung 7, 8 is pagbalik ng inyong right leg dito sa center or sa tabi ng inyong left leg is angat nyo ulit siya, then tak. Okay, so yung kamay nyo naman, para na kayo mahilangin ganun. Okay, tak, tak. Okay, so counting tayo, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Kang pagsin mula muli ay ang tagumpay na.
Okay, so next step naman is, di ba naka-open na yung arms nyo ganyan? So, yung inyong kamay is naka-close. And yung inyong right leg, yung una nyong iakbang papunta dito sa right side. So, yung katawan nyo is medyo i-bend yung ganito. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so yung inyong shoulder is 1. Okay, medyo i-aangat nyo yung left shoulder nyo. 1, then right, then left, then right. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after nyan is sakbang nyo yung inyong right leg dito sa harap. Then tuck and tuck. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so yung inyong right leg hakbang, then tuck, tuck. So open nyo. So nakaslant yung pag-open ng arms nyo. Okay, close, then tuck, then tuck, tuck. Okay, so yung inyong right leg is papunta sa likod and yung inyong right hand is paangat. Itong left hand nyo, palikod siya. Okay, so tuck, tuck. So para kayong tatakbo ng paatras. Tak, tak. Okay? So, countings tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next step naman, nakaharap dito sa right side. So, yung inyong kamay is nakalagay dito sa side ng head nyo. And itong left hand is nandito sa ibaba ng elbow nyo. Okay, so yung inyong ulo is iharap nyo siya dito sa front. Front, then right, then front, right. Okay, so 3 counts lang yun. 1, 2, 3. Then after nyan, yung inyong kamay is nakababa itong middle finger na ganito and tuck. So down, up. Okay, so swipe nyo. Tuck, tuck. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after nyan is naka-close yung inyong 2 fingers dito and tuck, tuck. Okay, so yung ulo nyo 1, 2. Okay, so front, right. Okay, so galing dito 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then, after nyan is, iakbang nyo yung inyong right leg, papunta dito sa right side. Okay? So, then, tuck, tuck. Okay? So, yung kamay nyo, naka-thumbs up yan. Then, 1, 2. Okay? So, unang bababa yung inyong right thumb. 1, tuck, tuck. Okay? So, countings tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next step naman is ulit lang siya sa previous part. So, countings na lang tayo dito. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next step naman is yung inyong left hand nandito sa waist nyo and yung right hand naka-open and dito siya sa baba. Okay, so nakaharap pa rin tayo dito sa right side. Okay, so una is 1, 2, 3, 4. So kagaya lang siya nung sa sign nag-wage kanina. Ang pinagbago lang is itong part na to. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so pwedeng 7, 8, pwedeng yung gano'n na part, or pwedeng lalakad kayong ganyan. Okay? So, countings tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, that's it for today's video. Kung natutunan nyo to, just click the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to be updated. And don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. And see you guys on my next video. Bye!